Replace a component from the assembly file with another component. So let's replace a single instance of a selected component. To do this, I'm going to go up to the component panel, and under the component panel I'm going to the extend menu and I'm going to choose replace. It's going to ask me to select the component to replace. I'm going to pick on this particular part, and then I'm going to right click and say continue. And it's going to ask me for what part do I want to replace it with. I'm going to replace it with this part 5 long. I'm going to hit open, and you can see now I replaced this one part with a longer part. I'm going to undo that. That was to replace one single instance of a selected component. Now I'm going to replace all of them. I'm going to go up to the component panel. I'm going to hit the down arrow to the extended menu, and I'm going to choose replace all. When I say replace all, I'm going to select the components to replace. I'm going to pick on all 3 of these, okay? And then I'm going to right click and say continue. I'm going to choose on the part 5 long and say open, and it replaced them all with a longer part. And so I replaced all instances of a selected component and replaced them with that newer, longer part. Sometimes you will get a warning saying possible relationship loss. If you do, you want to say OK to that particular dialog box. So we just replaced a single instance of a selected component, and then we replaced all instances of a single component.